Hey everybody, thanks for tuning back into Otram's YouTube channel. Today we've got a 2006 Lexus LX470 that's in for rough running shake while driving. I've already scanned it for codes and we have a P0306 misfire on cylinder number 6. So I've got my scan tool pulled up and I'm going to start the truck. We'll let them catch up for a second and you can see all the rest of them. We don't have misfires, but 6 is steadily counting. So my first quick test that I like to do on these, the HC just adjusted, caught me off guard. I've got this coil tester, non-contact, and you set it on top of the coils. They blink. We know this is working. Number 6 is the second from the back, but like there's number 8 working. I don't know if you can see 6, but 6 is flashing. So we are getting signal to our coil and firing it. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this intake off so I can get access. And I'm gonna pull that coil to see if the boot is okay, to see if we're shooting spark out the side of the boot. So let me shut this off and get this out of the way and we'll come back. So I went ahead and pulled the number 6 coil out, and there is some weird marks down here on the boot where it might be leaking spark. I also pulled the spark plug out and it was loose, which is never really a good sign. But we're seeing that more and more on the 4.7s, the spark plugs are loose. So as a quick and dirty, I'm gonna switch number 4's coil pack over here. Oops, one other thing. And you can see the difference on the ends of the boots. This one looks like it's been arcing, where this one doesn't. We're gonna pop this over here. And I'm just gonna loosely thread that in. I'm actually gonna pop my number 4 spark plug out. Oh, and that one's loose too. And that one looks about as worn as the other one did. So I'm probably gonna recommend spark plugs on this. I don't see any service history on them. But we're gonna leave the spark plugs where they came from right now and only switch the coils, because if I switch the plugs at the same time I switch the coils, I don't know if my problem's plug or if my problem's coil. Good, we're plugged in, we're plugged in. Oh, it needs a new hose down to the power steering. That hose just split. Go. Now we can fire it up and see if our misfire stays on number 6 or if it moves to number 4. And we're not misfiring yet. Oh, I also don't have number 4 highlighted. That would help. when you're trying to see if they move, highlight all of your, okay, so we moved to number 4. So it is leaking spark on that coil pack where it's on the end. So we know we just need a new set of coils for this, which is really common. Anyway, that's quick and dirty diagnosis on a misfire on one of these. Because if it hadn't moved with the coil, then we would have switched the spark plugs. And if it still didn't move, we would start looking at injectors. But it's way quicker to swap around coils and plugs than it is to swap around injectors and mess with all that jazz. So yeah, down and dirty misfire testing on a Toyota 4.7. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you want to help support the channel, check out our membership page. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one.